YouTube, the M12 here, and this is going to be a tour of the elevators at LA Union Station in downtown Los Angeles, California. These are the parking elevators. Oh, going up?
Yeah.
Alright.
What's the main door?
This P. This one's going to. I don't know, I pressed 3 and it didn't.
Didn't look like nothing.
Yeah, it didn't register. Yeah. Let's go down to S. P4. Let's send this one up. Go up to 3. Nope. P. We'll end it back down at P1. Over there's the bus plaza. Here we are at P1. Nope. You go right ahead. There it goes. Let's go find some more elevators. This is the elevator to bus bays 1 and 9 and the L Line Gold shuttle. P. No indicator. Guess we'll just watch the fixtures. So, there's a bus. P1. Let's get a cab view. Nice cab. Kind of dim though. Right. There it goes.